So we're a little bit low on the Speargaffs, and Derek's in the city trying to find some, and all the stores are low. Low on the dowels, the wooden dowels that we use. So I know lumber's kind of hard to get right now, so who knows when they're going to come back. So I am looking for replacement or another option. There's tons and tons of driftwood around here. So there's got to be a few that are just, you know, pretty strong and slender and spear shaped. So I'm looking around trying to find an option. See what I can find. It's too weak. Too weak. That might do. That will not do. Hope there's no caimans in here to pop out on me. About that. Nope. About that. May do. Hey guys, so I found my favorite one. Check this out. Pretty strong, curved, get that low angle. Should work. Hasn't broke yet. Think that'll do. And now I got a walking stick. Perfect. If I could make them out of bamboo, I'd be golden. There's bamboo everywhere. I could build a house with it. Right now I'm left with 3 pretty good looking options. Nice and strong, but it's hard to find straight pieces. There's a bunch of like twisted, gnarled up pieces, but there's 3. These are 3 nice straight pieces, so these should work. I don't see any more. There's tons of wood around here though. This goes for like a quarter mile that way by the river. But 3's good. We still have a few at the lodge, but I'd like to have 1 or 2 more, but 3's a good start. We'll see if they even work. Hey guys, so I'm headed to the workshop. Gonna try to make those driftwood sticks into some spears. Hopefully it works. All right, here they are. Dakota already trimmed them, so they're good length. They're straight enough. This is the threaded rod, so we're gonna cut it probably into about 10-inch pieces, and I just have to drill a hole into one of the sides, and we'll screw it in with some pliers, or I'll probably stick it in the vise to help with screwing it in. You can use a grinder or a bandsaw. In this case, we don't have a grinder here, so I'm gonna use a bandsaw, and then we'll use the bench grinder for sharpening them. And we got a drill press here too, so that helps. Or you can just do it with a normal drill, but that thing makes life easy, so I'm gonna use that. All right, I'm gonna try this one first. Just gonna put it there, send that drill press right in through the middle. Just need a little extra length on that drill bit here. There we go. So the hole's a little bit smaller than the threaded rod. We're gonna see how it fits. Let's see. That might be perfect. So I'll make quick work of that. So now I got that piece in the vise, and I'm gonna stick that hole right up there, and I'm just gonna spin it and screw it in.
Entonces, ¿todo bien?
Hola, sí. ¿Bien?
¿Todo bien? Ese es ñaño.
Hey. ¿Qué pasa?
ñaño 1, ñaño 2.
¿Qué hace? Suso.
Sí. All right, there we go. So it's in. It's a little bit thin, a little bit cracked, but that won't be too big of a problem because I'll wrap it with rope and seal it up. Should be fine. All right, so this one's next up. This is a cocobolo driftwood limb. It's gonna be like one of the coolest speargaffs out there, probably. Cocobolo is super rare, it's super expensive and protected in Panama. Super cool. Let's see how it turns out. Really hard to drill through even with the press. Okay. Alright, got the hole. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so here we go. We got 3. Looking pretty good. This one's cracked a little bit. I kind of expected that. This one is the cocobolo. Not sure about these. This one's been in the ocean a little bit longer. It's got some holes in it. It's definitely lighter. This one's really heavy. But they all screwed in. They're nice and strong. Now I just gotta sharpen them. Alright, we're getting there. It takes a while with this grinder. It works a lot better with like a brand new disc on a normal grinder, but we're getting there. Okay. That's what we're looking for right there. Looking good. Alright. Got my 3 driftwood spears. Bringing them back to the kayak lodge, and I'm gonna wrap at least one of them up with probably some paracord. Make sure it's nice and strong. Cracked a little bit, but make them look cool. We'll use them this next upcoming week. Should be some mahi around and definitely some yellowfin tunas. some fish we're definitely gonna want to spear. So I'm gonna make sure these are nice and strong. Alright guys, so I coated this with some goop, tied a loop around the rope here, and tied it to that post. So I should be able to put a bunch of force on it, make sure I can wrap it super tight. Let's see. Alright, so I wrapped that up pretty good. I just went back over a couple wraps just so we can make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, then you make a loop. Go around just like that. You can tighten that. Alright, so that's super tight, and I'm just gonna tie one knot. Right there, so it can't slip. Okay, I finished all three of them. These are definitely my favorite two. The really heavy one, super strong, and this bad boy here, the curved one, the sweetness. Reinforce this one with some goop and paracord. Super, super tight. So this one's gonna be mine. Gonna try it out this week, but super happy with how they turned out. It's gonna work. Slow tide. Nice and sealed up.